Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I am doing this acrylic color portrait painting, but before I start I want to mention that I am not a professional artist. I am just a self-taught one. So this is not going to be a perfect painting, but in the end I will have my pointers from the process that can help me next time. So before further ado, let's get started. So I started with painting the face by mixing white and orange. And then used the same color for neck as well. After that, I mixed white and mehendi green color to make the pastel green shade and then used that for painting the blouse of my portrait. While mixing black and brown color for hair, I spilled the color on my canvas and ruined it, but I thought of fixing it later and started continue coloring. Then I outlined the blouse and face using the black acrylic color. After that, I made buttons in the blouse, but I was not happy with how it looks, so I reapplied the green shade to cover up for the buttons. After this, I started working on the background and used very light shade of pink and made 3 freehand strokes. After that, I made parallel strokes of light purple color next to it. After that, I used the black color to outline the background. Then I used the light peach color to cover the remaining canvas and to fix the mistake spot as well. But while doing it, it turned out that outlining the strokes earlier was a waste, as I had to redo it again. After doing this, one thing I learned today was that we should always outline the artwork in the end and not before that. As the color on the blouse was looking very uneven, so I reapplied the paint on it. So this is how the artwork looks like. I have also added this golden earring and a hair flick in the end. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please like and subscribe to my channel. Bye.